Hello and welcome back to Swing Trading Master Class by Wealthy Education. In this video, we're taking a look at the cup and handle pattern. The cup and handle pattern is a reversal pattern. It is a bullish pattern. There is an alternate inverted cup and handle pattern, but it seems, statistically speaking at least, that it is not as reliable. So we will only focus on the bullish version. A cup and handle pattern is simply a market that does this and then pulls back a bit before taking off to the upside. It's at the bottom of a downtrend or a move lower. And what's going on is you're seeing the downtrend continue, and then just all of a sudden they kind of run out of momentum. It pulls back a bit, and you can see that it is a cup, like a tea cup with a handle. It's a lot like a flag, really, but without the straight pull. It's more or less an arc, a gradual turnaround. And that's what makes it so powerful. It's gradual. It's not something that's sudden. It's the market taking its time to kind of figure out that it wants to go higher. And essentially, you just put your stop loss behind the handle here and you let it rip. It should, in theory, reach the top of the cup down to the bottom, whatever that is. So let's just say it's $5. We want to break out above the handle. You're looking for a target of at least $5. And the beauty of this pattern is that by its very nature, this little handle here, this little kind of downtrending channel, is going to be less than the $5. So it's already a positive expectancy if you had enough of them, if you will. So let's take a couple real-life examples into account here. You can see that this area here began a drift lower, and when you line this up, you can see how it is like a cup, and there's your handle. There's your little channel, so there's your handle. There's your cup. So you look for a measured move from here to here, the bottom of the cup to the brim, if you will. This is your breakout, and it's kind of building up enough momentum to go higher. Once you break above there, you measure this, which, eyeballing it, looks to be about $2.25. So you're looking for a move to $13.25, and you can see that's where we ended up, right here, right here. You can see that was previous resistance. It makes quite a bit of sense that we would find our way there. Dollar, Canadian dollar, you can see this is a little bit more of an extended cup and handle. This move here on the daily chart, 130 to 133.5. So we're looking at 350 pips. A break above here at 132.5, and I'm using just round numbers to make it simple math. We're looking for 300 pips, so 135.50. We clearly got there rather quickly. Pretty straightforward there, and we were off to the races. And Litecoin, you can see this is an hourly cup handle. So $100 to 116, a break above here. You're looking for 132. Definitely hit it without too many issues. Did have a little bit of consolidation here. Interestingly enough, you can see that's an area that has offered support going forward. So we'll have to wait and see how that plays out. That's more of that market memory. When you take a measured move, for some reason, markets do tend to pay attention to those later as well. So that's a little bit of a heads up.